Okay, this is example number 2. We're going from standard form to vertex form. First thing I want to do, let's go ahead and let's list out my A, B, and C. A in this case is 1, my B is -4, and my C is -6. We're going to need my A, and we don't need our B. We're going to go to standard vertex form, H and K. We need each of those. Are any of these the same from form to form? Thank you. A is the same. So now I'm writing this. Y is equal to, or f of x is equal to, and I'm going to need to put A, and then I'm going to do x minus h squared plus k. Now typically, again, there will be a 1 over b here, but we're not going to use that since we're going the other direction. So as I write this, I know A. A is 1. What I'm going to spend my time doing is filling in h and k. We can put this in the calculator, so let's go ahead and put this one in the calculator. Make sure your calculator's on. Please clear your calculator, 2nd plus 712, whenever you do something with these calculators. Alright, go to y equals, make sure it's clear in there. If you've cleared your calculator, it should already be clear. And we're going to plug that in there. We have x squared minus 4x minus 6, and we are going to go to the table. We are going to find my vertex, and I put the vertex in the center of my screen. Do you see how my numbers repeat? -9, -9, -6, -6, -1, -1. You see that number in the middle? That's my vertex. That means my h is 2 and my k is -10. We simply get that from the calculator. All we have to do with that is plug them in the appropriate places. H is 2, which means we have -2. Inside the parentheses is opposite, and my k is -10. If you don't want the 1, you could always rewrite this as x minus 2 squared minus 10. I would take the 1, that is fine too. I don't care either way. That is example number 2.